Fatty liver disease, medically known as hepatic steatosis, is a condition that often goes unnoticed but poses a significant threat to your health. It involves the excessive accumulation of fat within the liver, which, if left unaddressed, can lead to liver inflammation and enlargement, triggering a cascade of health problems. These issues can include the development of abdominal fat, high blood pressure, diabetes, kidney dysfunction, and gallbladder inflammation. Over time, the liver may undergo progressive damage characterized by the formation of scar tissue, known as fibrosis, which impairs its ability to effectively cleanse the bloodstream, resulting in toxin accumulation throughout the body. It's alarming that more than 25% of adults worldwide grapple with fatty liver disease, largely due to dietary choices. One significant contributor to this condition is the overconsumption of omega-6 vegetable oils like margarine, cottonseed oil, corn oil, soybean oil, or canola oil. These oils promote liver cell inflammation, hindering normal fat digestion. Excessive consumption of sugary foods can exacerbate the issue, as these sugars are converted into free fatty acids that congest the liver. Alcohol consumption also poses a substantial risk, as it activates specific genes that instruct the liver to store fat rather than burn it for energy. Furthermore, high fructose corn syrup, prevalent in over 80% of packaged foods, swiftly transforms into fat within the liver, contributing to the problem. In rarer instances, certain medications, drugs, and viral infections may inflict damage upon the liver, leading to fat accumulation. Notably, fatty liver disease often remains inconspicuous on standard liver enzyme blood tests, allowing it to persist undetected for years until severe liver damage becomes apparent. To address this crucial health issue, we will outline the top 8 signs of fatty liver disease in today's video, empowering you to recognize and take action against this silent threat. 1. Abdominal fat. The presence of abdominal fat, particularly a protuberant, potbelly, can be a sign of fatty liver disease. Fat accumulating in the liver can extend outward, forming visceral and subcutaneous fat around your midsection, which poses significant health risks. 2. Spider veins. Liver damage can lead to elevated estrogen levels, weakening veins and causing small spider veins to develop on the skin's surface. 3. Male breast tissue. Men with fatty livers may experience the development of female breast tissue, often accompanied by tenderness. 4. Swollen right foot. If your right foot and ankle are noticeably more swollen than the left, it can indicate liver damage and compromised blood circulation. 5. Itching of hands or feet. A fatty liver can lead to bile blockages and leakage, causing the accumulation of bile under the skin, leading to itching sensations on the feet or palms. 6. Low thyroid function. Hypothyroidism can be a consequence of liver damage, as a fatty liver can impede the conversion of thyroid hormones, leading to sluggish thyroid function. 7. Constant fatigue. A fatty liver can result in persistent fatigue, as the liver struggles to absorb essential fat-soluble nutrients, leaving you feeling perpetually tired and weak. 8. Right shoulder pain. If you experience discomfort or tension in your right shoulder, neck, jaw, or beneath the shoulder blade, it may be linked to a fatty liver. This is because a congested liver with excess fat can cause the bile to thicken and become trapped in small ducts, leading to swelling and referred pain in the upper right back muscles or your neck. If you experience a cluster of these symptoms, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional and request an ultrasound examination to detect any accumulating fatty deposits in the liver. Thankfully, the liver has a remarkable ability to heal and regenerate itself. To address fatty liver disease, consider implementing the following lifestyle modifications. Start your day with a mixture of apple cider vinegar and raw lemon juice diluted in water, as it can cleanse the liver, reduce fat accumulation, and enhance bile production. Eliminate inflammatory vegetable oils from your diet and opt for healthier alternatives like coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil, and cold-pressed avocado oil. Incorporate a high-quality digestive enzyme supplement that contains purified bile, pancreatin, and betaine hydrochloride. Reduce your consumption of sugary, starchy, and grain-based foods and replace them with anti-inflammatory options like wild-caught fish, grass-fed meats, and pastured eggs. Include sulfur-rich vegetables like garlic, asparagus, onions, leeks, and cruciferous vegetables in your diet to enhance fat breakdown and detoxification. Support liver detoxification with milk thistle extract, which boosts glutathione production, promoting the healing and regeneration of liver cells. Allow your liver time to dissolve existing fat by practicing intermittent fasting, consuming all your daily calories within a 4-hour window, followed by a 20-hour fasting period. In conclusion, the journey towards better liver health and protection against the insidious presence of fatty liver disease begins with taking proactive steps to address the root causes and promote healing. By implementing the lifestyle changes outlined here, you can significantly improve your liver's well-being. These changes are not merely suggestions. They represent the key to restoring your liver to its optimal functioning and overall well-being. With your newfound awareness of the signs of fatty liver disease and the practical strategies to counter it, you are now equipped to take control of your health and safeguard your body against this silent, yet potentially severe, threat. Remember, your liver is a remarkably resilient organ with the capacity for regeneration, and it responds positively to the care and nourishment you provide. By removing inflammatory factors from your diet, enhancing your digestion, and adopting healthier eating habits, you are effectively supporting your liver's ability to process fats and toxins. Incorporating natural supplements, such as milk thistle extract, and practicing intermittent fasting further aid in cleansing and rejuvenating your liver. And the simple yet potent morning ritual of apple cider vinegar and lemon juice can play a pivotal role in reducing fat accumulation and promoting increased bile production. By embracing these changes, you are not only safeguarding your liver but also enhancing your overall health. You'll discover newfound vitality, energy, and a sense of well-being as your liver regains its optimal function. Your body will thank you, and you'll find yourself better equipped to enjoy a healthier, more vibrant life. So, take charge of your health and embark on this journey towards a revitalized liver and a healthier you. With knowledge and action, you can protect yourself from the silent threat of fatty liver disease and embrace a life of well-being and vitality. Your future health is in your hands, and it's time to make the choices that will ensure a brighter, healthier tomorrow. If you liked the video, please support us with a like or a comment. It's very important for us. We also invite you to subscribe to our channel to keep informed about health and wellness.